Hey guys, welcome back, and this is my new video. In this I'll be showing you again with that same DM-VERITY issue what we are facing every time after the software update. So now they have released their stable version of Oxygen OS 4.1. So now what I'll do is I'll again make a video to remove DM-VERITY issue. So guys, you can see right now I'm on Oxygen OS 4.1, that is based on 7.1.1. If you want to remove DM-VERITY issue, just download these two files which I'll be showing you now. So once you download those files, you just have to copy and place it inside internal memory. That is 4.0.2 firmware of Oppo 3T, and the next one is Oxygen OS version which you are using right now. So I have downloaded the firmware 4.1, and once these two files are downloaded, you can just place them inside your internal memory, and after that is done, you just reboot your device to fastboot mode. And make sure guys you have TWRP recovery installed on your device. If you doesn't have, you can check out my other video. I'll post a link in the description below. You can check it out and install the TWRP recovery. So we boot to fastboot mode. So once your device boots to fastboot mode, guys, just open command prompt here. You hold shift and click right button of your mouse, and you get an option to open command prompt here. I've already opened, so I'll just show you. This is the one. I have PowerShell installed on my Windows 10. Both are same, guys, command prompt and Windows PowerShell. So don't just check the video and get confused about it. So now your device is connected to fastboot mode. Check whether the device is properly connected or not. Just hit the command fastboot devices, and you can see it shows your serial number. So after this is done, reboot your device to recovery, and once you reboot to recovery, we'll flash the 4.0.2 firmware, and then we'll hit the commands. So after your device boots to recovery mode, just locate the files, that is firmware of 4.0.2. So I'll show you. I already have, and you can see it is here 4.0.2 firmware for Oppo 3T and 4.1. So guys, what I'll do is I'll flash this firmware now, because if you don't flash this firmware, you won't be able to put the commands in fastboot mode. So what we do, if you just swipe and confirm to flash. So once this is done, we go back and we boot a device to bootloader mode. I mean fastboot mode. So now what we'll do here is we'll give the command fastboot OEM disable underscore DM-VERITY. So fastboot OEM disable, and now we give underscore DM underscore. So this is the command, guys, fastboot OEM disable underscore DM underscore verity. So once this is done, just hit enter, and it says okay, finished. So after this is done, we again give the command of fastboot, the same command, and in this the only change will be, instead of disable, we'll write enable. So now you can see the command fastboot OEM enable underscore DM-VERITY. So now we hit enter, and it says okay, finished. So now what we'll do is we'll again boot to recovery mode. I'll flash the firmware of 4.1 Oxygen OS, and you can see as of now the DM-VERITY issue was not displayed, or the message was not displayed while booting to recovery. So once a device again boots to recovery, just go to the folder where you have kept the file of firmware. So now what I'll do is I'll flash 4.1 firmware, and guys, make sure to flash back the original firmware of the OS which you are using right now, because if you don't flash that, you will get boot loops on your device and your device won't boot up. So I'll flash this. This is the 4.1 firmware, and once it is done, I'll just reboot my device and hope DM-VERITY issue gets solved now. So I go back, I reboot system. And you guys can see the DM-VERITY issue has been solved now, and we'll just wait for the device to reboot once and check whether everything is working fine. And you can see my device boots up without any issues. So that's all in this video, guys. Hope you like the video. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.